particular meningitis and a particular, anyway, make a long story short, she ended up losing, at 20 years old, losing her feet, her leg, not one leg, both legs, and her hands. The disorder that she had made her hands, the blood clot, and it caused it to be necrotic, which they died, so they had to amputate the blood, the tissue, they had to amputate, even a hand. 20 years old. And on top of that, she was alert and oriented, meaning you're times 3 to a person, place, a thing, meaning she could hold a conversation like me and you did. 20 years old. 20 years old. And we have the nerve to complain about a toothache, about a headache, about extra fat, about no fat. When you think about the goodness of Jesus, now for whatever reason, God, God is in control of everything. And she may have a whole nother ministry and that nobody can ever touch. But we have to realize we cannot sweat the small stuff, and we really need to take our eyesight. Getting up in the morning, being able to walk and talk, and then our families. You look around and see your mama or your dad or your grandchildren, and everybody's doing well, and we have the